morning. So today is going to be a very productive day. I just made this matcha. This is like my 5th time making it. I definitely recommend it with just regular milk, but almond milk is more of a healthy alternative. But yeah, so I've been really liking this, and I just wanted to film a little Christmas productive day. I'm going to make Christmas cards because I love to make DIY Christmas cards for my family, and I'm gonna make dog treats to give out to like all the dogs that I know for the Christmas season at my family Christmases, and I'm gonna make some healthy meals. So it's just gonna be like a overall productive day. I'm gonna maybe do some more stuff. It's 10 o'clock right now. I think I'm gonna get started on the dog treats first because that way I can just be done with it, and I hate planning things up later, so I'll just do that now. But yeah, so that is what I have planned today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you can just keep watching to see what else I do productively. So yeah, I figured out what I'm gonna make for breakfast, and by the way, I'm wearing Santa earrings, but I'm gonna make some eggs with some mushrooms. I'm gonna just like make the mushrooms in garlic and butter or oil, and they're so good. I love mushrooms, so I think I'm just gonna have eggs and mushrooms, and yeah, that's probably it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. Look at my breakfast. It looks so good. I'm not used to this at IU. So I'm gonna eat this and enjoy this. I don't have what I need for the dog treats. So my mom's going to Walmart already, so she's gonna pick up some stuff. So I might be doing the Christmas cards first, but right now I'm gonna eat. So see you soon. I brought some stuff in here to make the Christmas cards. I'm gonna turn on the tree, and I'm going to play a YouTube ambiance while I'm making them. So I turned on our tree and the nativity scene, and I'm gonna make some cards. So Christmas music ambiance. Okay, let's try this one. So here's one card that I have done. It's like supposed to be ornaments, and I'm gonna take like a Sharpie, metallic Sharpies, and make like string. So I'm gonna do that really fast. I'll show you that right now. Okay, don't mind my handwriting. That's just as good as it'll get. But then I added these gold little strings and bows. Yeah, this is the one card. I'll show you guys the other one. I'm still working on. I don't know what I'm gonna do to the front, honestly. Okay, so here's the mess I've created. I've gotten pretty creative this year though, with actually doing like DIY ones, because this one I'm letting dry, but it is a Christmas tree. No, hold on, let me open it. It looks like this. I still have to add the star, and then I might add like a little stump here, but yeah, that's the card. I just don't know what to do with the front, because it's a little bit bent from like where I've been messing with it. But yeah, I need to do something. I might like cut stuff out and like glue it on here. Okay, so I have Merry Christmas on both of them. And I added the gold star. And then I have this one. And I haven't put anything in it yet. But I have 2 done. The next one I'm planning to do is, and by the way, I got these off Pinterest, if you're wondering like where I came up with this. But next one that I'm going to do is this one. It's like a reindeer one for my sister. So I made him. He's so cute. I love him. He has a little bit of issues, but he's still cute. So when you open him, I already wrote in it, but his ears stay, but his antlers are on the front. So yeah, that's my little reindeer card. I really like him. He's cute. Then I've got this one. Just says Merry Christmas on the front, and then the tree inside. And I've got this one that says Merry Christmas on the front, and the bulbs on the outside. So yeah, these have been really productive. I've got to make one more, but I think I'm going to stop filming this for now and kind of finish everything up so that I can put them in envelopes. I don't know how I'm going to put this one, what I'm going to do with this one, but yeah, I'm really excited that it's all pretty much done. Like, I got all their gifts done, and now I just have to write on the inside and put them in an envelope. So yay, all done. All right. So these are for the dog treats because in high school I had a business that made dog treats, so I'm reusing the stickers. I have the ingredients, and then I have the flavor, and then the all natural and all organic. So I'm going to use those on the treat bags that I found that Mom had right here, and that's it. So I got all of the presents done. I found bags for them, even though this one is not very Christmassy, but it'll do, so I feel very productive. That took forever. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching today's video. It was probably a short one, not super eventful, but I did get some Christmas stuff done, like my cards and the dog treats. So yeah, I'm about to go get ready and go to my boyfriend's, and we're gonna decorate Christmas cookies with his family. So I'm not gonna bring you guys along for that, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll include a picture of our cookies if I remember to take one. But yeah, I will see you guys super soon. If I do not see you before Christmas, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and that it was just a successful holiday. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!